In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find a working Duolingo promo code in November 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then go to google.com, where at the search bar type in Duolingo promo code and then hit on search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different sites that contains free promo codes. You can open up any of them. Here, for example, I can find that promo codes. I can go through all of them and let's say I want to use that one. It gives me 20% off. I can hit right here at show promo code to see it. Here it is. I can hit at copy button to copy it to my clipboard, and now you can go ahead to Duolingo website or to their mobile app and then try to use that coupon code. Just don't forget to do it before paying any money, and then double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and from here scroll through that list and then try to use another one. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.